Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you? I hope you are all fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, today I'd like to share with you why have I come here. You know, I have come here for learning English because English is the most important in our life. You know very well, without English, you can nothing to do because English is our very important in our daily life. Before coming here, I was a teacher at private school. That time I faced lots of problems. When I talk to another person, who talk to my student, that time I feel shy, say to English language. That time I have decided I have to learn English. I have to speak in English because without English, we cannot survive properly in our society. Whenever you learn English, that time you will be able to a perfect man. So I have decided I have to learn English. That time I have come here. Already I have passed 2 months. Whenever I come here, that time I couldn't speak in English. But Alhamdulillah, right now I'm capable for speaking English. And I think if you learn English, if you able to speak in English, that time you have to come to English therapy because English therapy teaching method so much exceptional and unique. That's why I suggest you can come here and you can visit here. I'm proud of English therapy because right now I'm capable for speaking English. Thank you very much. That's all today. Assalamu alaikum.